Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 3rd, and this is my recap of the top view videos from last week. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold had another very nice push up on Friday. Very, very nice move. I think this is extremely clear that this is a wave 1, probably corrective wave 2. I got my Fibonacci extension measuring the wave 1, projecting it off the bottom of the wave 2. The 161.8 is usually the most likely place for wave 3 to go. So, I mean, for now, I would definitely still be looking for longs in an uptrend. I still think it needs to finish a wave 3, make a wave 4, and most likely make a wave 5 just to finish off this move. I still think this is an end of a big subdivision wave 2, and that we're now in a big subdivision of wave 3, which is a wave 3 of wave 3 on like the daily and weekly time frame. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, like I said, most wave threes do go at least to the 161.8. I mean, they don't have to, but most of the time they do. So for me, I would definitely still be looking for pullback entries, especially if it makes a nice 1, 2, 3 pattern like some of these previous corrections. This thing has been making some very, very, very nice ABC pullbacks over the last couple of weeks. So I would definitely continue to look for pullback entries. I would wait for a decent little pullback, a nice three-way pullback to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Still looks like it's in a wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave 3 on like the weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.